Hi there. Let's talk about team settings. So within your teams, you want to change some of the settings for member permissions, maybe guest permissions as well. I'm on that screen right now within the Teams app, but in this video, I want to talk about changing the settings one team at a time or for multiple teams at one time. So here within the Teams app, I'm just going to show you how I got here. I just right-clicked on the three dots beside the team, went to manage team. From manage team, I went to settings, and then there's where I can change member permissions, whether people can add channels and so on, guest permissions, and a number of other things. So that's one way of changing the team settings. Now I'd have to go from one team to another to do this in all of my teams. Let's say I want to use the admin area instead. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm logged into my admin center and looking at my team's admin center. So just to reacquaint you with how to get there, we're using the waffle at the top left, going to admin, choosing show all at the bottom, choosing teams at the bottom again. And from here, we're going to teams on the left. So we're going to go to manage teams on the left side. Okay, and now in here, I can say I want to change the settings for a number of my teams, not all of them and not just one of them. So I'm going to select a number of them, and then I'm going to go to edit at the top here. And these are the same options I had within the Teams app for message permissions and guest permissions and so on. So this is a really great way for changing the settings of how my members can interact with messages through the posts area, and how they can work with channels in terms of if they have access to edit or add channels, and I can do it to more than one team at a time, right? So try that out. Thanks.